Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome while signed into the correct profile. This ensures the background change applies where you expect it. Once the browser is open, create a new tab and locate the small gear icon in the bottom right corner that opens personalization. Click Background to see Google's image categories, or choose Upload an image to select a file from your PC. Do this now so the next steps modify the active tab immediately and save time versus searching settings later. Now you select the specific image. If you pick a built-in category, browse thumbnails and hover to preview. If you upload, navigate to the folder, select the image, and use the crop tool to frame it. Make sure the image resolution complements your screen. 16:9 images fit full-screen tabs better. Once you're happy with the preview, confirm the selection. This applies the background immediately, and Chrome stores it with your profile, so the change persists across sessions when synced. Finish by verifying the change across devices. Make sure Chrome Sync is enabled if you want the background on other PCs. If the image fails to appear, clear the browser cache, try a different file format like JPG or PNG, and re-upload. Permissions or large files can block uploads. If something still goes wrong, use the gear icon again and choose Restore Default Background to revert. That gives you a clean slate while you troubleshoot and ensures your new tab remains usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.